Okay, here we are, 1986 Chevy C30 driving video. It's a gorgeous truck. Just looks new inside and out. Drives new, you can tell. It's fun knowing what these trucks drove like when they were low mileage, original. Has a lot of torque, plenty of power, it's pretty fast. The last owner changed the exhaust, put headers on it, and straight pipes and chrome tips. When I got the truck, I just felt like it was unreasonably loud, so we put Flowmaster exhaust on it, Flowmaster mufflers I should say, and it just sounds perfect now. Nice low rumble. Brakes feel good, they're nice and tight, the pedal's hard. Horn works. All the gauges and lights are working. Truck needed alignment when we got it. We went ahead and did that, four-wheel alignment, now it's totally perfect, drives straight as an arrow, steering wheel is straight, doesn't wobble, everything's balanced. Get on the highway here real quick, there's pretty heavy traffic, but third gear. I'll give it some gas here in third at 45. At 70. A separate video of the exhaust note on this truck because it really does sound good. I don't think the camera's picking it up from the interior. AC blows ice cold. I took some pictures in the gallery. With the thermometer showing it was blowing at 34 or 35 degrees. That was sitting still, idling. Okay, here we go. Second gear. Truck to drive. Go ahead and hit the contact seller button in the right margin, and if you want to ask me any questions directly, if you want additional pictures or anything, or transport quote. This will wrap it up for our driving video.